procedures that can be done inside the class that will help you manage the class better is collecting the paper through rows, not columns. Usually when the students, if you're collecting paper from them, whether it's the exam or homework or whatever, and they just give it in columns, they might actually be poking one another or doing something that you can't see because you cannot see from the student's back. So when you ask them to collect any kind of paper, just ask them to do it in rows, not in columns, because you will be able to see what's happening while they are giving one another the paper, okay? So this is for doing it in rows and in columns. If you are giving them the quiz papers and there is a score written on it, just make sure that it is not written on the front of the paper, not in the front of it, but at the back or inside of it if it's like a booklet. So this way you just maintain the student privacy, because some students might not feel like okay when others know the grade that they got. So just make sure that nobody is looking at their score. It is better that you do not distribute the paper in this way, but if there is no other choice, do it. Just make sure that the score is written inside the booklet if it's an exam booklet, or if it is one paper, you can just write it at the back, so when the students are taking the paper and checking the names, they would be just seeing the names, not seeing the score behind the paper.